Then the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
So hi guys, I'm Jubeloria and I'm here to answer the last chapter 11, the packet tracer, which is the packet tracer troubleshooting connectivity issues. So addressing table, so the devices, the router 1, the router 2, the PC1, the PC2, the PCA, the PCB, and the web, the DNHS1 and the DNHS2. Objectives. The objective of this packet tracer activity is troubleshoot and resolve connectivity issues. If possible otherwise, the issue should be clearly documented so they can be escalated. Background scenario. Users are reporting that cannot access the web server www.cisco.pk after a recent upgrade and include adding a second DNH server. You must determine the cause and attempt to resolve the issue for the user. Clearly documented the issue of the solution. You don't have to access the device on the cloud on the server www.cisco.pka. Escalate the problem if necessary. Router 1 can be only accessed using SSH with the user admin 01 and password Cisco 12345. Determine the connectivity issue between PC1 and web server. On PC1, open the command prompt and PC1 open the command prompt, enter the IP config. So we need to enter to verify what IP address default gateway has been assigned to PC1. So the link local IPv6 and the Bluetooth connection link local IPv6, the fast Ethernet 0. So after connecting the IP address issues on PC1, issue the pings to the default gateway web server on the other PC. Where are the pings successful? Record the result. So after the PC1 issued the pings to the IP default gateway on the PC, were the pings successful? So we need to try here. So use the web browser to access the web server on PC1. Enter the URL www.cisco.pka and then using the IP address 209 record the results. So in PC1, we need to type the IP address web browser. In web browser, we need to type enter URL www.cisco.pka and then go. So let's see what will happen. So document the issue, provide solutions, correct the issue if possible. And using the IP address, record the results. Wait, the first we need to the IP address 17 the IP address 209.165.201.2. Okay, so next is type the web browser www.cisco.pka .pga. So hostname unresolved. So the hostname was unresolved. To determine the connectivity issue between PC2 and web server, on PC2, open the command prompt, enter the ipconfig to verify the configuration IP correct as necessary. So we have to try they try this lately. So ping to the default gateway to web server. So we need to ping the ping default gateway the ping default gateway is 172.1 and the web server 1 config return IP address default gateway we need to type 172.16.1.1 and to web server, where is the web server? Is 209.165.2. So okay, and navigate to www Cisco on PC to record the result. So we need to record the result in www Cisco using the web. Can zero and access using the web server IP address. Documentation, provide the solution, correct the issue if possible. So, step 3, determine the connectivity issue between PCA and web server. On PCA, we need to minimize. On PCA, the command prompt ipconfig, we need to copy in command prompt to verify for the IP address to correct as necessary. After correcting IP address issue on PCA issue and the pings to the default gateway web servers on the PCC, were the ping successful, record the result. Yes, the ping is successful because the fast Ethernet the connection. So after correcting the IPPC, navigate www.cisco using the web. We need to copy in the web server and browser. So let's check the PC2 unresolved. So we need to X that and next we need to copy paste. So in step 4, determine the connectivity issue between PCB and web server. So we need to minimize again and PCB, open the command prompt and enter the ipconfig to verify correct as necessary. After correcting IP address issue the things to be default gateway web servers on the PC were being successful record the results. So it's okay. So wait, we need to minimize, and then here in PCB we need to type in the web browser unresolved. So verify the PC can access the web server. Check the result to see which completed. So here Cisco Go. So navigate W. Can PC be accessed www Cisco using the web server? No, because it is the unresolved. So the document that issue the provide solution correct the issue if possible. Verify the PC can access the Cisco. Your completion percentage should be 100 and check the result. So yeah. So all of those web server as unresolved because both of them are use are use are use the www Cisco, like in PC1, PC2, PCA, PCB. We use the www.cisco.pta. So all of those are similar, and then the IP command prompt, the IP config is similar again, so it is unresolved. So that's all guys. I hope you learned what I've been discussed in chapter 11 packet tracing.